Okay, Kdenlive. We're going to do speech to text. I've got a video in here that I just recorded with my screen, and it explains what we're going to show. The very first thing you have to do is you gotta load this stuff here, and you go to configure Kdenlive, and you're going to do plugins and speech to text, and I used the Whisper AI model. And when I first started doing it, it wouldn't work. It was missing some terminal commands I had to implement, and I'm going to show you where I found this. So we'll cancel that, and I'm going to go to my browser here, and this lady on YouTube pretty much explained it all, and it's pretty good. This is the site, and I think she's called Veronica Explains. And what I have, if you get down in here, just she's showing you what you got to do in the terminal. This is what the commands I ran so that I could load this, and it worked. And it has to do with Python. So I did this one first. I did this Python. And what's kind of weird is it doesn't show you any response, yes, no, but it took it. And she also, if you read this whole thing, she explains it quite simply. And it was, but it's kind of strange. When you run these commands, you do not get a yes, no, complete, anything. It just does it. So that's kind of weird, but that's cool. But yeah, grab this location right up here, go into that and read this thing on, and she's specifically talking about speech to text in Kdenlive Flatpak. So I did that, and then I was able to load it. We're going to, I have a video in the timeline, the one I just recorded. I can, I put a sample of the, okay. So we're going to go to the start of this, Control Home, boom. Once I'm in here, Control Home. To use this, you go to Project, you go to Subtitles, Speech Recognition, Selected Clip, boom, Process. And you got to sit here and wait. So I'm going to time lapse this. It'll take a few minutes. And don't close anything, just let it run. Sometimes it has a glitch where it'll say created a log. You don't want to stop it, just keep letting it go. It says 44% right now. So it's basically creating all these subtitles. 82. It's a short video. But I didn't show how to do this before, but subtitles imported. Show log. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, boom. Close. Here's the subtitles. Now, I'm going to play the video, and you have to make any corrections in each individual one. So let me play it first, and you'll see what I'm talking about. making a video of my screen. Right here you see it. So if I go to subtitles, I'm going to click on that first one where I'm at. Okay, I'm on this one, and I'm going to make it bigger. I go to Style, and first off, I changed the font. I hate that font, man. So I put COM because I like Comic Sans, and we'll do this one, and we'll say select, and I know the size difference. I'll make this 150. Trial and error, and you say okay. There it is. Now I'm going to edit again because I do like to have some shadow on it because I'm on a white screen. And don't go crazy. You trial and error, put it so it stands out a little bit. But you're doing all the editing within each box. Once you set it up, it'll transfer to the other ones. And if you saw a typo, you could also change it here. I'm making a video of my screen. I'm using what I said, and it did it. And alignment is, we'll put it in the center. And it won't show until you hit OK. And up here is where I correct the video. So if I go to the next one, let's play this. OBS. And I'm going to do speech to text in Kdenlive. Okay, there's my first correction. It phonetically said Kdenlive, C-A-D-E-N-L-I-B. That's wrong. So I'll go up here and I'll correct it. And it's 25, and I need space, make sure it looks right. I put a sample of, okay, and I say, correct that, yeah. Oh, I messed up. Okay, okay, I go here. And I say, okay. And I keep playing. Kdenlive 2504.2, put a sample. This is from the video. And I'm going to go down here and hit 25.04.2. I put a sample of the end product in a previous video, and I'm recording this right now so that you can see how easy it works. I'm going to shut this off, and this video of the screen, I already got Kdenlive open, just to prove it. So, what version I'm using, 2504.2. Hold on. It's Flatpak. Got to correct that one. So I go back. Okay. So now we'll continue on. And I'm looking for typos. What version I'm using? 2504.2. And it's Flatpak. I had a little issue at first. Okay, now you see it. 2504.04. So that little typo. Sometimes you got to click in another box to get it to move, but it's really pretty simple. Okay, we go to style. Okay, it changed it, and now we can continue. I'm using 2504.2, and it's Flatpak. I had a little issue at first getting the stuff loaded, but I will explain. Flatpak's one word, but that's okay. All right, let me do this. Now, the other thing I wanted to show you was if I go here and I go to Edit Style, cancel that, go to Subtitles. I'm making a video on my screen, and I'm going to say Default, and let's change the color. Do a custom if you want, and we can pick a nice bright green. Okay, say select, okay. Go back here. Video on my screen, I'm using OBS, and I'm going to do it'll change the whole group. 25.04.2. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to mute this. So we'll start over. And we'll do a home and play it. And we're not going to hear the video, the audio. The video, I'm just going to show you that I can change all of this at one place, right in subtitles. So right now, if I move back up to the first one, doesn't have to be the first one, but I'm using the first one, and you do it right here in style, and say, man, that green's kind of boring. So let's go with a nice red. I like to customize it too. And we'll say select, say okay, it's red. And just to prove that I could actually change it in any one, this is a group change. So I'll go to style, I could change my font here, I could change the size of it. Right here, we'll make it 175, make it stand out a little more. And I say okay, boom. And I'm going to go back and go here. And you don't want to listen to me talking again, but it just took all of this and it made all the subtitles, the group subtitle. It's pretty simple. It's if you load those terminal commands from the website that I showed you, and I think it's Veronica Explains is her channel, but this happened to be a printed out version that she puts out also. But it's real simple to do. So that's in a nutshell. I'm done. So I like this. It's cool. Flatpak. I should have corrected that spelling, but that's all right. You got the message. Bye.